How to find Steam QR code on PC. Steam QR code login lets you quickly sign into your Steam account using the Steam mobile app instead of manually entering your credentials, and this is useful for faster and more secure login. Firstly, open your Windows, Mac OS or Linux PC, then simply open any web browser there. And once you open, simply go to the Steam official website. Once you're inside the Steam official website, you can see login option available at the top right corner of your screen. Simply tap on it and navigate to the login section. On the login section, Steam will display a QR code. This QR code is unique to your session and will expire after some time. Open the Steam mobile app on your phone and tap on the QR code scanner option and scan this QR code. And once scanned, confirm the sign in and you will be signed in to your Steam account. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.